Working with Photoshop and generative AI is a real big game changer. I will show you a few ways how I use it almost daily. If you use a lot of stock images like I do, oftentimes they're not exactly what you need. And most of the time it's the size of the image. I see a lot of videos about generative fill of people adding things to the background or whatever, but really that is not why I like it. For instance, I have this grass field. When I drag it in, the first thing is the contextual taskbar that pops up and asks me if I want to select the subject or remove the background. I do not, I want to add a duck. I grab the Lasso tool and draw where I want the duck. The taskbar changes to generative fill. You press it and I type duck generate. It always gives you 3 options and here I have 3 times a goose. So yeah. I never use it for this. By the way, if you cannot find the generative fill, you can search for it right here. Where I do use it for is for extending the size of an image. Here I have a picture of an old door, but it needs to be a bit bigger. I grab the rectangular tool here and with the image selected, I select the part I want extra. I also keep a part of the original image inside the selection. This way you don't get any weird transformation lines. Again, a generative fill, but now keep this part empty and generate. You again get 3 options. Not all are going to be great and sometimes you have to even make a new selection. What I do is I merge the layers that I want to keep and keep extending until I have what I want.